So let's first look at stretching. Now, stretching has been shown to be a really important component. So we have good evidence from our clinical practice guidelines to recommend this as one of those kind of core and first line treatments for our people with plantar heel pain. As we tease out some of that literature, we see that one of the important components seems to be the plantar fascia stretching, so not just our calf stretching. So let's have a look at how we might teach our patient to do that. So Connor, if you take your left foot and you're going to bring that up on top of your right knee, great. So making sure that this is a position, obviously, that our patient can comfortably get into. And then if you use your left hand, you're going to grab your toes, and I want you to just, in what feels comfortable, pull your toes back. So we're just getting that extension there of the MTP joint, just what feels comfortable. Now from there, I want you to use this hand just on your sort of heel. You can come a little lower here. That's going to help to just guide that. And can you just move your ankle, so moving this hand kind of towards your shin. And then you can come back down again. And you can go a little bit further down, so let that foot sort of relax a bit more. Yeah, good. So the key here is we want them to maintain that metatarsal extension, or metatarsophalangeal extension, with this hand. So that stays on. And then it's nice to just work through sort of 10 repetitions as a bit of a mobilization, so to speak. But then we can, so now if you come into that end position, and we're going to hold there for 10 seconds. So we count through 10 seconds, and then we would repeat that 10 times. So you can relax there. This is something that's really great for them to do for that first steps pain. So I'll typically advise my patients, when you swing your legs out of bed in the morning, before you hop up, sit down and at least try that little mobilization. Even better if you can get your 10-second stretches done then, because it can really just take some of that sting out of that first step pain, which is quite problematic in our patients with plantar heel pain.